There are 3 types of Yoruba tone marks. They are do, re, mi. Do has a fallen tone. Re has a flat tone. Mi has a high or rising tone.
Do is denoted with a grave accent mark and is slanted to the left. Re has no mark at the top of the vowel or the ni sound, letter ni, which is N in English. And mi has an acute mark, which is slanted to the right.
Understanding the use of Yoruba tone marks is very important in reading, writing, and speaking Yoruba. For example, the same word which is spelled B-A-T-A can mean 2 words. First one is bata, which is what you wear on your feet. It's a shoe. The next one is bata, which is a type of drum. Bata has do sound, and bata has the sound do mi. I've got to go swim, so Mom's going to wrap up the rest of this video, but please stay tuned.
I'm going to give you a word that has 5 different meanings based on its tone marks, okay? In the word igba or I, gi, bi, a, those are the letters in Yoruba. And that in English, that'll be I, G, B, A. So again, the letters are, oh my God, so much water. Woo. The letters are I, G, I, B, A, or you can just say I, G, B, A, because the B, which is the G and B together, or is a diphthong, okay? All right, so I, G, B, A, or I, B, A have about 5 words that are spelled that way and are differentiated with their tone marks. Ready? All right. Igba, Igba. Igba sounds re, mi. Igba is calabash, a calabash, okay? Re, mi. Igba. Igba is time. Igba. Time. Igba, do, mi. Oh, I forgot to put the sign on the Igba. Igba is do. So remember we said Igba. Igba is calabash, which makes the sound, which has a tone marks. Re, mi. Remember, re has no marking at the top of the vowel. Re, mi. And the mi is the acute mark, which is slanted to the right. All right. And that's re, mi, igba. The next one is igba. Igba is time. Igba, time. Do. So the E, which is the first letter, and is I in English, will have the grave sound, and so will the A, the last vowel there. Do, igba. Let's keep going. Igba. Igba is a fruit. Oof. The roads are really bad. Water, standing water everywhere. Anyway, igba is a fruit. Igba is, imagine a small, round, like a tomato-sized fruit, that is green, almost like a cucumber. Yes, but not that shape. It's shaped like a tomato, looks like a cucumber in color, and has seeds in it. That is igba. Oh, igba, which is do, mi. All right, so we got 3 words. Now we got igba, calabash, igba, time, igba, a fruit. All right, let's go to the 4th one. Igba, re. Pardon my re sound. I had some dental work done and it kind of sounds funny. Re. That's igba. Igba is 200. Igba, 200. Igba. I think it's 4. Igba. So that's 4 words. Same letters, but the accent marks, the tone marks are the only key to you knowing their meaning. This is why tone marks are highly essential, very important to the meaning of words in Yoruba language. Hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Talk to you guys soon.